Hi, this is Caroline Chan. I'm a Vice President at Intel's Network and Edge Solutions Group. Here at Intel, we've been driving this cloudification journey of 5G networks, virtualization, and really driving innovation that's suitable not just for the public network, but also for the private 5G networks. Quanta has been a great partner of ours. In fact, they have developed a product called Omnipod, which provide end-to-end private 5G solution running on Intel platforms and technologies. Recently at US market, we've seen a tremendous upsurge in demand for private network, especially around smart factories, AR, VR, smart manufacturing, warehouse, Department of Defense military applications, agriculture, education, smart ports and logistics. With all the demand that's coming down the pipeline, we do see a need to drive innovation alongside with ecosystem leaders like Quanta to truly drive new applications and verticals that can be onboarded in this end-to-end platform that will be easily consumed by the enterprise customers. I really look forward to working closely with Quanta to take this journey to the next level. Thank you.